Hello everyone, my name is Kritika Pandey. I am pursuing BTech from Rajki Engineering College in Information Technology. Today I am going to present my project which I built as part of my internship from Mirai School of Technology. This project demonstrates that how we can integrate AI agents with automation tools like n8n to build a very smart and automated a travel planner assistant. So I am going to show the workflow of my project. Firstly, I want to show my front-end website that I have created by using the Lovable.ai. Here you can see how beautiful website it has created. I have just given a beautiful prompt to it, like you can see here, and it has created a beautiful front-end website for me, like you can see here. And just see the beauty of this website. And here is a section like plan your perfect trip. Here the user can fill their the details like destination, current city, start date, duration, budget range, travelers, preferred transport, email address, and then he will click on it like generate my perfect plan. Then this data goes to the n8n by using the webhook, and in n8n I have used a AI agent LLM which processes the user data, user input, and generates a detailed and professional itinerary, travel itinerary. And at the same time, the user inputs and AI response are stored in the Google Sheet for the record keeping. Finally, the AI response is converted into the beautiful formatted HTML email and sent automatically to the user's Gmail inbox. So in short, if I want to explain the workflow, the website is sending the some data to using the webhook to the n8n, and the AI here, the AI isn't it processing the user input and generates an itinerary for the user, and then all the response is going to be stored in the Google Sheet for the record keeping, and then it is converted in the AI response is converted into the beautiful formatted HTML, and then it is sent to the user's Gmail. So this is the workflow of my project. Then I am going to show that how now this is the time to see the result of our project. Like I'm giving some dummy data here. Now I'm going to click on this generate my perfect plan, and here my n8n is listening for a event. So I'm going to click on it. I have clicked it, and it is generating a itinerary for me. And you can see here my workflow is executing. It will take some time, so just wait for some minute. Now this is the time to see the result in our Gmail. So let's see. Now here you can see that it has created a beautiful response for me, that a 545 plus group people traveling from Nasik to Delhi, and this is the day by day itinerary for me. It is showing the everything from that it can. And here we can, like you can see here, it is generating the response and storing it. So this is all about my project. And the challenges that I faced during this project, that I faced a few challenges. At first, I had difficulty in connecting the webhook with my lovable AI sites. Then formatting the AI output into a beautiful email was also a tricky part for me, but I solved it by using a code note. And I also had to make sure that the Google Sheets login worked correctly without any error. By the experimenting and the learning the step by step, I was able to solve these issues and the lessons learned. From this project, I learned several important things, that how to use n8n workflow automation for the real projects, how to integrate the AI agents with external tools like Google Sheet and Gmail, the importance of the debugging and testing each node carefully. Most importantly, I learned how to build a complete end-to-end system that feels like a real-world project. Now, to conclude, this project gave me a lot of confidence in working with AI and automations. I really enjoyed building my AI travel planner assistant, and I hope you found this demo useful. Thank you so much for watching my video. Thank you.